Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2012 Mini Countryman One diesel. Now this is a super specification car, arguably I would say one of the best spec cars we've had in some time of this age. So, finished in light white paintwork and obviously sat on the 16-inch silver alloy wheels. Now this car's got a pepper pack on it and that will give you then digital climate control. It will give you Bluetooth phone. We've got cruise control in there as well, and then it's got what I could say the gravity black leather interior. Now it's quite a rare thing to get leather interior in one of these, but this has got it. Paintwork for a 10-year-old car, or 11-year-old, isn't it? Is wonderful. Just over 90,000 miles, so below average mileage for one of these. Service history on this is fantastic. Take a look at the images on our website. You'll see all the stamps are there. There's 6 or 8 service stamps in the book, but a wonderful, wonderful, well cared for car. Looking round the bodywork, that's all in super condition. This one has the privacy glass in the rear also, so that's a nice further extra. But all the way round, what a great looking piece of kit. Coming round to the back, we've got parking sensors there, and then we've got this large boot, so like a mini SUV, these cars. So if you want something that's practical, that can fit all the family in, and also has got a boot which would stick your shopping, your prams, your dogs, then look no further, this car's for you. So, roof bars, but externally, that car is absolutely super. Now it came off a cherished number plate, and you would not think once it was on the cherished number plate that it was 11 years old. It is a really fantastic car. Now the Countryman, they do stand the test of time, minis, because they don't really sort of revolutionise them, they evolve them, because minis look like minis, don't they? You can't make it look like anything else. We all have an idea of what a mini should look like, and why would we play with that? So black leather interior with the lighter centres. Now this one's got power folding door mirrors as well as being electric. We've got the sill plates in silver as you enter the vehicle, and then this lovely black leather interior. Touch of wear on that seat, but nothing, we'll got that sorted before it goes out. We've got the black detailing high gloss, but that cream and black just look wonderful. Now we've got 2 keys as well. As I dip the clutch, bring it over to the centre, press the start button, and she starts up. So there we go. So on this steering wheel, it's leather. It's got a multifunction, so we've got radio controls here and we've got cruise control there. We've got onboard computer and also automatic headlamps. 6-speed manual silky smooth transmission, fantastic on fuel these, well over 60 miles to the gallon. Pepper pack gets you digital climate control, 4 electric windows, air conditioning, stop start. We've got mini with boost, and then when we press the menu there, we do have Bluetooth phone configuration also. Centre armrest, sunglasses case. What more do you want? Service packs all there. We've got the book. We've got all them service receipts there as well. So let's have a look at this, because this is where it really matters, doesn't it? Previous keepers have taken care of it, and this one is no exception. So service 1 mini, service 2 mini, service 3 mini, service 4 mini, so 4 services at mini. 5, is that mini? So 4 services at mini, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 services all the way. Last serviced in on the 20th of December 22 at 89,699 miles, and it's 93,352. Now the car will go through our workshop before it leaves us, gets a full 128-point pre-delivery inspection, full wheels off with our technicians. But just look at it, leather interior in a Mini, locking wheel nut key there in the glove box, all the books are there, all the keys are there, 2 keys with it. So everything that was given to the first keeper in 2012 is still available today. But a wonderful car, can't say more than that. Countrymans, we don't have any issues selling them. They're super reliable. That 1.6 diesel engine is very reliable and gives outstanding performance. Now look at the road tax as well. This is a low road tax car. Yeah, you can't go to McDonald's now for the price of what this car would cost you to tax it with a family. So have a look at it. What a great looking car. Very nice, as honest as you will find a Mini Countryman, that. So You've got a part exchange, give us a call. There's Dominic, there's Lee, and there's myself, Graham. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. All our cars are HPI clear, they're all got guarantee, they're all serviced if needed, and MOT as well if they require them, and get a full 128 point wheels off pre-delivery inspection. So take a look at our reviews, take a look at our social media. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK collecting cars from us. If you only want to give us or come to Wigan once, I recommend you move here, it's that nice. But if you only want to come once to collect your car, put a reservation deposit, we'll prep it, we'll get it ready for you at a pre-arranged date between you and we can have that sorted for you. But as for now, thanks for watching our video and I look forward to your inquiry.